Hello Prime Techie, in this video I will show you how you can solve this error. At first I will install nodejs. For that I will choose LTS Windows installer. After it gets installed, then I will click on next. I will accept the terms. I will keep this as my default directory location and then click on next and again click on next. I will click this checkbox and I will click on next. I will install this. I will click on finish now. Then enter. It is installing the chocolatey folders, so just wait for a few seconds. Now I will open this PC and I will go to the Windows C drive and I will choose program files and then nodejs folder, and I will copy this folder link and I will open the environment variables, and in the user variables I will add this path. And then I will click on OK, and in the system variables I will also add this path and then click on OK and OK. So after this I will go to my VS Code and I will reopen my VS Code, and then I will copy the path link and then I will go to my terminal and I will type node and then paste that path link and then enter. As you can see, my output is subscribe now. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.